let's assume that you want to have multiple properties in a class. You can easily do that. So of course we have these properties up here, but let's assume that you also want another property in your class called age, and you're going to default that to 0. And then perhaps you have a favorite color, and that's a string, and you're going to default that to blue. So you can have multiple of these inside of your application, and they can easily be accessed and modified through the property accessors and mutators, which are default. So we say first name, age, like say age equals 30, and I can say user.favorite color equals green. And so these are all possible. You can have as many of these properties as you would like inside of your application, inside of your class, just like functions. You can have more functions than you like. You say hi, and this could just be a simple little print line that just says hi. And so of course, we could say user.say hi, and that would print to the screen. I could come in here and change that, of course, to hi full name, and then it would say hi, Donn Felker in this case. So you can easily put multiple properties here. If you wanted to add another one, we can do that here, etc., 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 and put as many there as you would like.